when I got suddenly paralyzed from right side of my body.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to Mad Fit Junkie. So आज हम मिलने जा रहे हैं मनीषा सिंह से. मनीषा सिंह इज अ फिटनेस एंड अ लाइफस्टाइल कोच. बट आज की स्टोरी खास क्यों है? आज की स्टोरी खास इसलिए है बिकॉज शी गॉट हरसेल्फ रिकवर्ड फ्रॉम अ पैरालिसिस अटैक. यस, पैरालिसिस अटैक से रिकवर करने के बाद शी वेंट अहेड एंड वॉन अ गुरु अवार्ड 2019, Miss Fitness India, and the biggest of them all was she got herself placed in Rodi's Real Heroes 2019. It's an inspirational journey. She has been inspiring lots and lots of women. So let's meet Manisha, guys.
मेरी फिटनेस जर्नी काफ़ी जल्दी स्टार्ट हो गई थी जब मैं 6th स्टैंडर्ड में थी एंड आई एनरोल्ड माई सेल्फ टू लर्न कराटे. My karate master was very experienced and an amazing guru. My fitness journey continued till first year, around 6 to 7 years I learned karate. उसके बाद professionally I became an investment banker and 3-4 साल के बाद I started realizing कि this is something I don't want to do at all and this is not me. So I wanted to switch the job and I equipped myself into fitness. I did lots and lots of certification, national and international both. I did American Council of Exercise, I did Reebok, Les Mills, AFA. I did a lot of certifications to feel more confident and equipped in the industry. And I was lucky enough to join First Fitness First of India. And I was managing that club in Gurgaon. And yes, professionally my fitness journey started from there. It was 2007, early 2007 or so, and I started with Fitness First India. Well, to live outside the comfort zone is the way I live. So yes, it was a challenge. Firstly, बैंकिंग को छोड़कर एकदम से स्विच करना टू एन इंडस्ट्री विच इज़ नॉट डेवलप्ड एट ऑल इन आवर कंट्री. एंड आई वॉज डूइंग वेरी वेल इन बैंकिंग. आई वॉज द बेस्ट एम्प्लॉय देयर एंड येस, आई वॉज वेरी प्रोग्रेसिव ऑल्सो. तो एक पीयर प्रेशर रहता है टू स्विच टू कम्प्लीटली न्यू इंडस्ट्री. येस, दैट वॉज माई चैलेंज, बट आई हैड मोर चैलेंजेस. So once I was there and I got into fitness, I was doing well. And after an year, I had to have a C-section surgery. और सर्जरी के बाद मेरा वेट शॉर्ट अप हुआ अराउंड 80 kgs, फ्रॉम 55 so to 80 kgs. एंड आई थॉट कि इतना ज़्यादा वेट एंड not feeling fit does not go with fitness industry. So nothing. I had to gather myself a lot and it took me a year to get back into shape. And I think I became more fit mentally also. And yes, I started walking back, and even my fitness journey from 80 something to 54 was aired on TV, on India TV, and in magazines also to motivate others. So that was my challenge, real challenge number one, right? Because it was both mentally and physically. And you are at the top, you are doing something very good, and then suddenly you think you go down, 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 and there is no looking forward. You cannot. And then to gather yourself, it's a challenge. So that then life had to give me more challenge to test me. So challenge number 2 happened later in life, and I settled in fitness again back in 2014, when I got suddenly paralyzed from right side of my body. And I was shattered because when I counseled doctors, they said, Manisha, please don't mind, but 90% chances are you won't again become better. So I was broken at that time, and but then I thought, no, this cannot happen to me. And then I gathered myself. I took, apart from medications of course, and I used to have shock treatments. That was very painful. मुझे shock दिए जाते थे to to again bring my nerves back to life. तो बहुत painful time था. And I took holistic approach. I did meditation. I used to counsel my own self. Nobody in the world can counsel you about, just it's you, right? So I had to counsel myself. I did a lot of meditation, lot of exercise. जितनी मुझसे होती थी जो मैं कर सकती थी, physiotherapy, my shock treatments. I used to massage my nerves, cranial nerves, And yes, in 2015, I regained myself and I claimed the world by winning the title of Miss Fitness India. So this was my biggest challenge, and I actually killed it. Yeah, so that was the challenge. Well, roadies ka experience was out of the world and an eye opener. बिकॉज मैं रोडीज़ बहुत पहले से करना चाहती थी व्हेन आई जॉइन फिटनेस फर्स्ट दैट टाइम, बट द जॉब वॉज सो हेक्टिक एंड इट वॉज कम्प्लीटली अ न्यू फील्ड. वी यूज टू वर्क फॉर 12 आवर्स एट टाइम्स. सो एक बारी फिर भी ऑडिशन के लिए गई थी, बट मुझे वापस आना पड़ा बिकॉज लाइन बहुत लंबी थी एंड आई डिड नॉट हैव इनफ ऑफ डेज. So after 2008, it finally happened in 2019. And I made it to the auditions. मेरे दिमाग में एक चीज़ थी, एक्सपीरियंस नहीं था, क्योंकि कि हम सीधे जाते हैं और पर्सनल इंटरव्यू में जो हम टीवी पे देखते हैं उस पर पहुँच जाते हैं. इट वॉज नॉट द राइट थॉट दैट आई हैड इन माइंड. पर्सनल इंटरव्यू जो हम टीवी पे देखते हैं उससे जाने से पहले there were 4 different rounds, and there you have to prove yourself. And I ended up doing a plank for like 10 minutes. I was crying with tears in the eyes because of the pain, and everybody, other guys and girls who were there, they were like bucking me up. Come on, Manisha, you can do it. So I made it to all the GD rounds, group discussion rounds, and then I got selected in roadies. I was voted out in the first round itself by other teammates. बट माई एक्सपीरियंस वॉज एन आई ओपनर. मैंने आपको बोला, मेरी आंखें इसलिए खुली कि नो मैटर आप कितना भी स्किल्ड हो अपने प्रोफेशन में, नो मैटर आप में कितना भी कॉन्फिडेंस है, बट when you are tested on a bigger platform where people from all walks of life come and you are being judged, आपको आपके हर एक मूव को जज किया जाता है. when so many people are watching you, it's not 1 or 2 people, everybody, it's coming on TV, सब लोग आपको जज कर रहे हैं, and they make sure that you feel, gang leaders, they make sure that you feel challenged and nervous. So yes, self confidence कितने लेवल तक जा सकता है, and exactly what is self confidence, I realized that day. Not even a parent could teach me that, because वहाँ पर it's a survival. Everybody wants to put you down. तो वहाँ पर अपने पे भरोसा होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. नहीं, जो मैं हूँ ठीक हूँ, एंड प्रॉब्ली अब शायद मैं इस तरह के किसी भी शो में जाऊँगी तो आई विल बी डूइंग मच बेटर. एंड यस, देखो, एज इज़ नो बार. दे वर शॉक दैट आई हैव अ 9-year-old चाइल्ड, और फिर भी मैं रूडीज़ में आई हूँ. सो इन अ वे दैट वॉज अ प्लस पॉइंट फॉर मी ऑल्सो. सो माई एक्सपीरियंस वॉज गुड. जो भी है उसमें से अच्छा लेके वापस आई हूँ, और आगे भी अच्छा करूँगी. बाकी चैनल्स क्या, व्हाट दे वांट टू डू, व्हाट दे डोंट वांट टू डू, इट्स देयर विश, राइट? बट you should always, from any competition, winning or losing doesn't matter. It's always a lesson that you learn from it. Yeah. Well, as I told you earlier, मुझे बचपन से ही फिटनेस से बहुत लगाव था, because I was a karate student and I used to be very active. Martial arts students, they work out for 4 hours. मैं कराटे कैंप में भी रह चुकी हूँ जहाँ पे हम 8 घंटे सिर्फ ट्रेनिंग करते हैं, अपार्ट फ्रॉम अवर ईटिंग ब्रेक्स. So suddenly going to a banking career, and everything is very glamorous, very nice, very respectable, but mind and heart was saying, I want to do something else, and that has to do something with fitness. So I was lucky enough to got an opportunity to work with Fitness First. I applied there for a manager's job firstly, because I suddenly don't want to get into the waters of coaching and then start swimming and then drowning. So I took up as a manager, and when I finished my qualifications in fitness and I got some experience, I started professionally. But yes, inclination towards this was always there. It's just I started in the wrong field maybe. Well, for me, I think inspiration came from the environment that I am brought up into. बचपन से ही ऐसी सुपर हीरोज़ की मूवीज़ देखना, जैकी चैन की देखना, ब्रूस ली की देखना मूवीज़, and I was always inspired by the idea where good always defeats the bad, right? And to become that good person and strong person, you have to be physically and mentally very strong. So in bits from every superhero I got inspiration, and I used to watch WWE also. And I'm a big fan of Ronda Rousey. I'm a very big fan of MMA fighter Ronda Rousey, and I relate to her real life story also, that her early life challenges, and she made up to the top in her field. So yeah, there are a lot of inspirational stories that I'm surrounded with. So every day is an inspiration for me. It's just आप चाहते क्या हो सिचुएशन में देखना. सो एवरी सिचुएशन कैन इंस्पायर यू. Well, my guru mantra advice would be for athletes, female athletes, enthusiasts would be, number one, don't look for shortcuts at all. Slowly, steadily gain knowledge into the subject, and don't listen to everyone and do everything. You have to stick to a plan. So number one would be patience. Stay patient, be consistent. आप जो भी आपका गोल है आप उस पर काम करते रहिए, हार नहीं माननी है. पेशेंस मतलब धीरे धीरे होगा, शॉर्टकट नहीं है. कंसिस्टेंसी मीन्स कि आपको उसको अपनी जो भी आपकी गोल है उस पर प्रैक्टिस करते रहना है, राइट? बिकॉज एक या दो दिन में यू विल नॉट अचीव योर गोल्स, इट टेक्स years and years. So be patient, be consistent, and also number 3, very important, well determined thought process, which means मैंने दिमाग में ठान लिया है कि अगले 1 साल बाद मुझे स्टेज पे जाना है एक बॉडी बिल्डिंग शो में और उसे विन करना है. तो उस थॉट को पकड़ के रखिए. Nobody should be able to change that positive thought in your mind. कुछ लोग ज़्यादा तारीफ कर देते हैं और कुछ लोग बहुत नेगेटिविटी भी फैला देते हैं आपके माइंड में. सो डोंट गेट डिस्टर्ब्ड बाय दैट. पेशेंस रखिए, कंसिस्टेंट रहिए और वेल डिटर्मिन्ड थॉट्स रखिए, एंड यू विल अचीव योर गोल्स डेफिनेटली. वेल मेरा अल्टीमेट गोल है कि थ्रू माई कंपनी लव फिटनेस, विच इज़ वेरी न्यू नाउ, लव फिटनेस के अंडर मैं कोचेस को इंडिजीनियसली कोचेस को सर्टिफिकेशन और एजुकेशन प्रोवाइड कर सकूँ, जिससे कि वो इंडियन बॉडी को अच्छी तरह समझ सके और इंडियन बॉडीज़ के हिसाब से मेल फीमेल किड्स स्पेशल पॉपुलेशन all of them together, they should be able to train and help them, basically to spread correct and right awareness about health and fitness, right? Secondly, to do that, I'm looking forward to do more TV shows on health and fitness. And right now, you can see me on Tata Sky. I am doing a show on Fam Health channel, where I deal with cancer patients, diabetes patients, new mothers, that how can they still remain fit mentally and physically both. So yeah, my ultimate goal is to spread awareness, and for that I will have to educate and certify more and more fitness coaches under my company. And right now I'm looking forward to do more TV shows, being more active on channels like this as well. Well, very nice question. My answer to this would be, see, अभी करंटली इंडिया इज इन फिटनेस इंडस्ट्री अभी ऐसी स्टेज पर है जो अभी बिल्कुल स्टार्टिंग पे है. वी हैव स्टार्टेड डेवलपिंग. वी आर नॉट इवन इन द मिडल. वी हैव स्टार्टेड डेवलपिंग. परसेंटेज जो है वेल एजुकेटेड इन द फील्ड कोचेस की वो बहुत कम है. एंड एथलीट्स ऑल्सो दे आर नॉट दैट लार्ज इन नंबर. सो राइवल से ज़्यादा अभी मेरा फोकस है कि ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा एथलीट्स जो कि मेरे राइवल हो सकते हैं शायद, वी आर एट द सेम पोडियम. आई नेवर कंपेयर बट स्टिल अगर कोई बाहर वाला कर सकता है तो अगर दो जने साथ में हैं, सो आई वांट टू बिल्ड अ कम्युनिटी वहाँ पे जहाँ पर मेरे जैसे और भी कोचेस हैं जिनके पास सर्टिफिकेशंस है, एजुकेशंस हैं, दे आर वेल क्वालिफाइड. हम सब एक होकर एक ऐसी कम्युनिटी बनाए जहाँ पर हम कॉम्पिटिशन्स कंडक्ट कर सके, एजुकेशन दे सके, अवेयरनेस फैला सके फॉर अदर अपकमिंग कोचेस, सो दैट वी क्रिएट मोर एम्प्लॉयमेंट अपॉर्चुनिटी एंड एन एनवायरनमेंट जहाँ पर फिटनेस और हेल्थ इंडस्ट्री इन इंडिया आगे बढ़ सके. बट आई वुड लव टू बी अ पायनियर इन दैट. About this channel, I love the name Be Mad Fit Junkie. It's a very passionate name. So it's very catchy. Number one. Number two, the type of work you guys are doing is commendable, because it's not shouting that my channel. You are bringing out talents in your channel, and exactly you are doing what I want to do, to spread more awareness, to give weightage to the people who are into fitness and they also want to be seen because they are doing such a tremendous job, and you are creating a platform for them. So this needs a lot of hard work and consistency, the type of videos that you are releasing on your channel, and I wish you all the best, and I wish that I look forward to work with your channel more and more.
Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like our video and if you want to promote yourself and motivate others, you can connect with us. To connect, you can find all the details in the description. Please like, share and subscribe to my video. To subscribe to my channel, click here, and to watch our previous videos, you can click here. Thank you so much.